Is your desktop CPU host just sitting there, gathering dust and taking up precious desk space? Well, this rolling CPU stand might just be the solution you didn't know you needed. It promises to keep your PC off the floor, mobile, and looking neat. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First impressions are good. This stand is made from what feels like thicker plates, which immediately gives you a sense of confidence that it can handle the weight of your PC. No flimsy plastic here, which is a huge plus. The design is clean and modern, a simple beige that should blend into most home or office environments without being an eyesore. It's not trying to be flashy, and that's perfectly fine. The real star of the show here is the mobility. It comes with 4 caster wheels, and they are surprisingly smooth. Moving your PC case around becomes a breeze. Need to clean behind it? No problem. Want to rearrange your setup? Easy. This intimate universal wheel design really does make placing your PC wherever you like much more convenient. It's a small feature, but it makes a big difference in day-to-day usability. The entire board design is also a smart touch. Instead of just having a few support points, the whole base of your PC rests on the stand. This means the force is distributed evenly, providing a stable platform for your host. You can really feel that stability when you place your PC on it. It's reassuring to know your expensive hardware is being supported securely. While the product description mentions after-sales service, which is always a good sign, the stand itself is pretty straightforward. There's no complex assembly, and the build quality feels solid enough that you shouldn't need to worry about it breaking down anytime soon. It's a simple, functional piece of equipment that does exactly what it says on the tin. So is this CPU stand worth it? If you're tired of your PC case being a static, floor-bound object, and you value the convenience of being able to move it easily while keeping it stable and off the ground, then yes, this rolling cart is a solid choice. It's a practical upgrade that adds a touch of tidiness and functionality to your workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.